Nope.
No? Do you know how to fix a ship?
Yeah, sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes. Okay. Yeah, so how do you fix a ship? You press every flashing button you see.
Okay.
Corellia, you will be intercepting a first-order trade shipment of coax.
Sentados y cuide a los niños. Gracias.
Brightly fasten.
Flight engineer, prepare that. It's your flashing button. Good job, engineer. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly up and push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the booster. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. They've locked on to us. Take evasive action. There it is. After that plane. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons. Shoot the cargo free. Pilot brakes. Good work. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. The power of ship. Well, I am Kontakt. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe I did something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Gunners, shoot the train. Yes, keep mashing those controls. The cargo is pretty shooting. Good job, my friends. Yes, yes, yes! We got the coaxium! I will grab it! You keep up to the train! Gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous! Things are getting too hot! We've got to get out of here! A distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! Hit the boosters! Boost! We made it! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get out of here!
Du musst auch lenken, Junge!
Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad. Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. Enfin, scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a stray species or two clinging to the hull. Nothing. But keep looking. The last thing I want is to let another Rata loose in here. I am not cleaning that up. Time for you to go. And don't worry, the payment is on the